We're all individuals. Every entrepreneur that owns a business runs it differently than the next entrepreneur. I remember, if you guys remember those robot dogs that could do a backflip. When they first came out, they could do a backflip on the stage, and it was like this big deal. This robot dog could do back. And everybody's like, oh, it's really cool. It's really cool. It's really cool. But the question is like, okay, it's really cool, but does it?
They're going to take our jobs.
Yeah. But does it move the needle in my business? So when you're looking at AI and you see something, if somebody goes, check out this really cool feature or this really cool thing, is it a backflipping dog, or can it actually do something in your business that actually makes a difference? And so you have to just like take things with a grain of salt, because the first thing I learned in automation, I've been doing automation for 16 years now. And the first thing I learned is that if I try to automate a process that I have not proven works yet, it's probably not going to work. And so what ends up happening is you think you have to build all these automations, and then you build all these automations and they don't actually work, or they don't actually like make an effect in your business. And so what I say is like, if it's working manually, then add a layer of automation. And then if that's working, and then you add these layers of automation based on things that are proven to work over time. And so you're finding automation opportunities in your business. Don't let some outside company be like, these are the automations you need. You need to go, no, my business is working this way, but if I did this process that I'm repeating over and over and over again manually, I could automate that. Let's automate that. And because I know it already works. It's crazy to me that people think that they can take another business created by another entrepreneur with another mindset and another market and another budget and another team, and he could take his processes and copy them into his businesses and they would work. We're all individuals. Every entrepreneur that owns a business runs it differently than the next entrepreneur. Every single one. That's what makes us entrepreneurs, right?
Yeah.
And so if we think we're going to copy another entrepreneur's processes and it's going to copy over exactly in our business, it's not going to work. And so I say, learn the principles of automation, learn why they work, and then apply them to your own entrepreneurial vision. And then you'll see things happen. But copying and pasting is just not going to happen.
Hey, Home Service Heroes, thank you guys so much for tuning into our Home Service Happy Hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.